Today we have Chapter 7, Lesson 2, Congruence. Remember, if things are congruent, it means it's the same shape and same size. Let's go to page 109. In the last lesson, we talked about figures being congruent if you can prove there's a translation, reflection, or rotation. Also, if they are congruent, that means that the corresponding sides are congruent and the corresponding angles are congruent. So remember, congruent is the same. So this symbol right here, with the equal sign and the squiggly on top, it means is congruent to. So for my example, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And that's how you say it. Here is my picture. You can be given an example of this, a problem of this, with or without the picture, because I know triangle ABC. A is listed first. Here is angle A. Triangle DEF. D is listed first. Here is angle D. Therefore, angle D is going to be congruent to angle A. Angle A and D are congruent. So let's actually start with the side lengths. The congruent sides. AB is listed first and second. DE is listed first and second. Those are going to be congruent sides. Besides that, if I just had the picture, I can see one tick mark and one tick mark. That's how I know that they are the same. Going back, if I didn't have a picture, BC is listed second and third. EF is listed second and third. So here's BC, here's EF. They are congruent. What you need to do is pay attention to the ordering of the vertices. So let's do the last one here. I have CA, that's the last to the first. FD, that's the last to the first. From C to A, I see 3 tick marks. From F to D, I see 3 tick marks. Those are congruent. So if you would just have the name of the triangle, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, you can look at the ordering. If you have a picture, you can look to match up the tick marks. Let's look at congruent angles. We had already mentioned angle A and angle D are congruent because the first, also I can see one arc. Angle B and angle E are both listed as second. I know those are congruent also because they both have 90-degree angles. And last, angle C and angle F, those are listed both third or last, and I can see here they have 2 arcs. So angle C is congruent to angle F. Make sure you pay attention to the ordering, how things are ordered, and then if you have a picture, you can pay attention to the number of tick marks for the sides or the number of arcs for the angles.